Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. In this additional, of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, January the 30th, 2021, almost end of the month. And the third Sudoku, boys and girls, is a binary Sudoku number 2249. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here and O, there no. Double 1 here and O, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. And now, let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not possible because one of the rules, no 3 O's or 3 1s in a row. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Let me see. I think I need to compare then. Yeah, with this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have now 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then, do we need to compare? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Need to compare again. Do we have a double 1 here? Need to check. Almost the same. This is almost the same, but not the right one. Double O. Do we have a double O here? Yeah. Almost the same. Almost. But not the good one. So I need to compare with the rows. O10. Do we have a O10 here? O10, okay. Yeah. Yeah. This row and that row. Alright. 0011 0011 00 empty box. 1 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yes. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one with comparing. Do you think so, boys and girls? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku for today. The rest I will finish it tomorrow on Sunday, but the next one is a tectonic with 4 stars. A Sugu in Japanese, yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.